Hello everyone. So here we are to discuss the second question. The question is the following pseudocode is executed using the words dataset. Let A and B be the variables that hold the values of letter counts of shortest and longest word respectively. What will count represent at the end of the execution? So the code written is count equals to 0 while table 1 has more cards. Read the first row X from table 1. Move X to table 2. If X dot word ends with a full stop, count equals to count plus do something, in which they have given the parameters as table T2, A and B. Now in this first loop, we will first read the row from the table 1 and shift it towards the table 2. Now if the word will end with the full stop, we will do the required updation in the variable count. Now if we move towards the procedure do something, here they have first initialized C and D equals to 0, and in the next loop they are reading the rows from the table 2. Now in that table, the first condition is if Z dot letter count is less than equal to X, then C is equal to 1. Here X is getting the value from the variable A, which is holding the value of the letter count of the shortest word length. So the word which we are reading, if its letter count is less than or equal to the shortest word length, then C will be given value as 1. And the next if statement is if Z dot letter count is greater than equal to Y, then D equals to 1. Here Y is getting the value from variable B, which holds the value of letter count of the longest word, which means that if the letter count of that word is greater than or equal to the longest word, then D equals to 1. Now move Z to table 3. If C plus D equals to 1, return 1, else return 0. Now this statement means as C holds the value of the letter count of that word whose length is less than the shortest word, length of the shortest word, and D holds the value of the letter count of that word whose length is greater than or equal to the longest word. Okay. Now if we will take both the values to be 1, it means that either C should be equal to 0 or D should be equal to 0. So C plus D equals to 1 will return 1 in that case, and the value of procedure do something will be 1 and the count will be updated. So we can say that count will represent the number of sentences having at least one shortest word or at least one longest word, but not both, because if we will take both the values of C and D as 1, it will give us value 2 and it will return value 0 and count will remain 0 only. So the correct answer is option 3.